Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to show how to place a trade on TradingView. Trading can offer higher and faster returns, flexibility, and liquidity, letting us benefit from market changes. However, it also comes with real risks, like possible financial loss, making impulsive decisions, emotional stress, and higher transaction costs. To succeed in trading, we need strong knowledge, ongoing research, and discipline, since it takes a lot of time and effort. Placing a trade on TradingView lets us execute, manage, and analyze trades directly from advanced charts, so we do not need to switch between different platforms. This gives us a smooth and integrated experience, combining powerful charting tools with live broker execution. Now, let's get started and go through the process step by step so everyone can follow along, even if you are new. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Press enter. Once we reach the main page, we can log into our account. After logging in, we go to the trading section. Click the product. Click on Super Charts. On this page, we can see all the stocks, forex, and indexes. This page shows all the trading information and actions. All right, let's go to the trade section and use paper trading as an example to show how to place a trade. Paper trading is also called a demo account. Here, we can see the balance, equity, and account margin. To trade, just click Trade. A window will appear. For example, let's look at Apple stocks. We will use Apple for this example. Here, we can choose how much we want to buy or sell in the market. We can select the number of shares or the amount to trade. If we want to set a take profit price or stop loss, we just fill in the settings here. We can also set the limit for the price in shares here. This helps stop our trade from going over the amount we set in the market. After entering all the information and prices, we can also adjust some extra settings. After filling out all the forms, we review our order form. When we are ready, we click the Buy Market button, and that's how we place a trade. Now we know how to place a trade on TradingView. Taking time to plan each trade helps us stay disciplined and make better trading decisions. Always plan your entry and risk before you trade.